Please help me. I have not eaten since yesterday. Please help me. Please. Please, anything can serve. Anything at all, please.
It's okay. It's okay. I have been in your situation before. I know what it means, okay? I will give you some money, okay? Just hold it. I believe this should be enough to take you off the streets. Take it, start up something very little, anyhow, okay? But I don't want to come back here and see you begging, okay?
I promise I will not. Thank you. I will not. You will not see me here again. Thank you very much. God bless you.
The situation brought back so many sad memories.
Really? Well, I hope you gave her enough money that can be used for her to do something profitable.
It's nice of you. It's nice of you.
Let's go, girls.
Hello, handsome. How are you? I'm still here waiting patiently for the promise you made to me that we'll be going on a vacation to any place of our choice. So you chose your family over me. Joanna Mbogo kwa. Vacation to Joanna. Johanna City in South Africa. South Africa? Yes. Hello, handsome. Sorry, I was choking. Yes, so Johannesburg in South Africa. I've been there before, but we can go there again now. No problem. It's okay. Okay, thank you so much. All right. Johanna Bogu. Yeah, you who is local?
No, just stop it. Yeah. I know, right? Look, you need to stop making me laugh.
On a more serious note, well, aside shopping, what else do I love to do? I love to travel. I love to take vacations. Yeah. I love to do so many things, trust me. So many things. Oh my goodness. Really? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that would be nice and great. I honestly can't wait. Trust me. I can't wait to experience all of that. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, Chinenye is born. What do I do? Oh, it's born already. What do I do now?
Hey, my love. I have missed you so much. Oh, I can't wait to see you too. When are you coming to Lagos? Olivia Danjuma? Olivia Danjuma, the senator? Yeah, Mama, I have them. I have classy girls. I have them. Okay? Nothing short of your specification. The only thing is that my girls takes 10 million naira per person. Okay, I'll do just that. Okay? Well, baby, what about the car you promised me? Okay. So much. You know you are my world. You are my everything. Like I can't even breathe without you. Okay, baby. I love you. Oh my goodness. Babes! 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 Babes!
What happened? I mean, you no go chop your burnt offering.
Beauty. Wetin dey funny now? No, say I burn my plantain, e dey funny to you, ba? E dey funny now.
No vessel, but next time if you want to do anything, especially when you are frying plantain, keep your phone one side and concentrate on the plantain.
I don't blame you. Now you get your mouth.
Hey girls. I just got a phone with my baby girl, Alhaja Aisha. You know. And she said she'll be hosting a party in Abuja. Of which she'll be leading some girls. And she is willing to give each girl a whooping 10 million naira.
Hey!
10 million naira.
10 million?
Hold on. Okay? tell her. Okay?
Tell me more.
Okay. You know, in a party like that, so many renowned politicians will be there to grace the occasion. And that means more connections from
Stop swallowing. Stop swallowing.
Babe, that face looks familiar.
You don't remember him?
No, it remind me.
That's Senator Femi Adams. You remember the time we went for this party in Abuja? One Alhaji Dan...
Alhaji Dan Juma!
Exactly. He was at the party.
I said it! What are you trying to do? Did you come back here? What are you trying to do?
Trying to try my luck now.
Hey!
What is wrong? He's not even my spec. I just want to know if I can get any urgent ticket. So, it's not my spec.
Anybody is going to be trying luck around here, it's going to be me. Take a good look at me. Can't you see?
What is there to
Can't you
see?
see? Men like that want to have a taste of this. When I mean classy ladies like me, not to wake up feeling funky like you.
Yay!
Yes. Swallow
God,
six pack of Eba.
I have suffered.
Watch and learn.
What am I going to learn?
Come on, let's go. Wait. Wait. Come inside. Don't let him see you. Come inside. Hold my phone. Hold it now. Just watch how I do this. You know, chief, that kind of name, is people like us that they like. Not people like you. Not your primitive and local kind of human being. So watch and learn. Oh my God.
You see yourself very good.
My girl, just watch and learn. Trust me. Yeah, I mean, tell. Watch and learn.
What's the meaning of this nonsense, eh? They are both not taking my calls. It's all Beauty's fault. I'm sure she must have ordered 11 wraps of fufu. That's why you're not here.
Honestly, Beauty is such a glutton. I'm sure she was the one who insisted they stop at the eatery and Christabel decided to join her. When it comes to food, that girl is something else. Damn!
Do you know it's because of Beauty and the way she eats
That's why we lost the last client. If she makes us lose this client again, I will never forgive her. I promise you, I won't forgive her.
Just give her a call. Try calling them again.
I'll try again. Hello, beauty. What nonsense is this? Why are you and Krista not taking my calls?
What did she say?
She said they are closed. They had better be because I'm already losing my patience. Let's just wait for them.
What's your young lady?
Oh my god! Oh my god, my phone is broken. But it's fine, it's fine.
So what did you say happened to your phone?
My phone is broken. But it's fine, sir. It's entirely my fault. But it's okay. I'll take care of it.
Alright, you weren't looking, so I'm sorry.
It's fine, sir. You don't have to be sorry. Just that I was so caught up on work, I needed to reply my boss's email. So that's why I was in a rush to get to the office.
Look like the email is very important. Where do you work?
Oh, sir. I work at Emerald Crystal Company.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
What a coincidence.
Oh, yes, sir.
My friend Kunle Afolabi is one of the shareholders of that company. You should know him.
I don't think I know that person, sir. When I'm at the office, I'm always minding my business, if you know what I mean.
Oh, you sound
sir.
like a dedicated career lady.
Thank you, sir.
I like your type.
Thank you. I'm flattered.
Yusuf, go to the car and get a man to prepare her food and something for her to spoil herself.
Oh, sir, you don't have to. You don't have
Don't
to do
worry,
that.
you don't have to worry. Do that.
Oh, that's
You don't
so.
have to worry, it's no problem.
Oh, that's so
You're
thoughtful
such a
of you.
beautiful girl.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You can say that again.
I can't do without food.
So I mean, what is what's the name of the charming man standing in front of me, sir?
My name is Femi Adams, Senator Femi Adams.
I see. You sure look like dignitary to me.
Alright,
Well, it's nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. You're welcome.
All right, sir.
Yes, let me have the compliment. I hope I can take you out for lunch or something we can get.
I mean that maybe some other time. I'm working right now, as you can see, so maybe some other time,
Okay,
if you
then
don't mind.
this is my complimentary card. You can give me a call. anytime.
Sure, I'll contact you.
I would do like to see much more of you later.
Sure. All right, sir. Do have a nice day, sir. Bye. Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Babe, no vex. Nnebe has called me more than 100 times now.
Okay, let's hasten up and meet them now. Huh? Anyways, I don't catch big fish. When I mean big fish. Big
Anyway,
fish!
let's hurry up, please.
And wait, I won't call him. Wait, let me call him now.
Girls, I'm so sorry for keeping you guys waiting.
Really?
Sorry.
Who kept you guys?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry now. So sorry for keeping you guys waiting.
Beauty, I know it's all your fault.
How is it my fault?
How is it not your fault? I know you wouldn't leave the eatery until you've had 10 wraps of swallow. Right?
I only had 8 pieces. That's all. Is it much?
Guys, it's okay, no? It's all my fault. It's okay.
So what happened?
Guess what, girls?
Tell us.
I met Senator Femi Adams.
No way, yes.
Yes way, yeah.
Wait. Senator Femi Adams?
How were you able to pull that?
The very Senator Femi Adams. He even gave me his complimentary card.
Wait.
Let me see.
Not so fast.
Are you saying the same senator that was present at the last party we attended in Abuja? Is it the same person you're talking about?
The very Senator Femi Adams.
Yeah.
On my palm, girls.
Wow.
On my palm, just like
Wow.
that. I'll gist you girls later. Let's
I
go.
can't wait for the-
You know
we are late, so we need
let's go. I'll gist you guys. Don't worry. Let's go.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, son. Just a little problem.
What is it?
I miss you so much.
Oh, I miss you too. Mom, guess what?
You know I'm a terrible guesser. So what is it? Tell me.
I will be in Nigeria this weekend.
Oh, you wanted to surprise me!
Yes, I'm glad I did.
Oh my god!
So you are happy now?
Of course I'm happy!
Alright, Mom, I need to go now. I have something urgent to attend to.
Alright, son. Do take care of yourself for me, okay? Bye then.
Man. What's going on? I had your excitement from my room.
Because your brother is coming back to Nigeria this week.
Richard is coming back?
Yeah!
How? We spoke yesterday. He didn't tell me.
He wants to surprise everybody.
Mom, have you seen your son? Look at this guy. He didn't tell. Richard. He's coming back.
He's coming back this weekend.
Wow, I'm so excited, Mom. I'm so happy. I can't wait to see him. Precious!
Hello. Yeah.
Honey?
I thought I should surprise everybody.
You didn't tell me that you're coming back today.
I just thought I should surprise the two of you.
Why is everybody bent on surprising me today?
Well,
Richard just called that he's coming back to Nigeria.
Richard is coming back, Dad.
he called me too, and then he said he was coming back.
Wait, Dad, you knew?
Yes, of course I do.
Are you did? Oh, look at these people.
I brought goodies, lots of goodies for you.
I trust you.
Dad, hold it. Where's mine? I know I am grown. I make my own money. So, what's mine?
You're an old man.
Thank you.
You can take care of yourself.
So
you
what
make
else
your
you
own
want?
money. Oh my God, please let the old man take care of himself. Besides, the last time I bought you 7 pairs of shoes from the UK, what did you do? You said you don't like them, okay? Take care of yourself.
Designers of 7 seasons ago?
What?
Dad, no now. Look at
Charles!
me.
What? Come on. The trending designer shoes I got you.
Charles, your father is just coming back from a trip now.
That's okay.
He need a dress.
Oh, Dad.
It's okay. I will send you 5 million naira.
That's it! Come on! You're happy.
You know, it was beautiful.
So how was the trip?
It was beautiful. Oh my God. I am excited that I'm home at last.
You're welcome.
And then Richard is coming back. Oh.
What a day.
I'm over here. You're welcome to Nigeria, brother.
Thanks, man. I've missed everything about Nigeria.
I know, but very soon I go Japan, man.
Wait. Who are these girls? I think they're really beautiful. I like them.
Oh.
Do you know them?
Yeah, I do know them. See, these girls, they are the biggest shots we have in this estates. Do you understand?
Okay.
You see that one? The one with the black leggings and the white?
Yeah.
International interior decorator. That's
Okay.
what she does.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Talk about beauty. She's an entrepreneur. All right, fine. Then, okay, you see the one with the white, wearing a pink cap. You saw her. You've seen her.
Yes.
She's a manager in one of the biggest firms you have here in Nigeria. Then, do you want to talk about the most cutest, Rosabelle, the one putting on the black?
Okay.
Rosabelle, she is into forestry, nigga. See, this girl are way bigger than you.
Bro, wait.
Do you understand? Listen, let me tell you something. You can't do what it's in this girl.
Bro, calm down. I think I like the one on black, the one you called Rosabelle.
Brother.
Yes, because it is really hard to find girls that are into forex trading these days. I think I like her.
See, that's the reason why you can't do this.
No, bro.
These girls will turn you down, nigga.
1 minute, I'm coming. Hello, pretty girls. Sorry. Hello. My name is Nathan, and I just want to know who you are, girls.
Mr. Man, we do not care to know what your worthless name is. What do you want?
Nothing. I just want to get to know you girls.
Why?
Is that too much?
Why? As what? Do we look like we're interested? Tell me. Look, let me tell you. We are not the kind of girls hungry looking boys like you go after. So back off.
I beg you.
Shut up. Who asked you?
Let's leave. These girls are not coming back here.
Relax.
What that your car will come out here?
Bro, calm down. They're coming. Hello, girls. Hello, girls.
You don't give up, do you?
No, I don't. You know, my father used to tell me to always run towards my treasure. I'm running towards you because you look like my treasure.
Interesting. I'm your treasure. Interesting. Look, let me tell you. You're not my type. I don't do broke, hungry boys like you.
You heard that.
And one advice. You better stop leaning on someone's car. Because if you as much as scratch it or spoil anything in it, even if you sell your entire existence, you can't fix it. It's just an advice.
Oh, well, very well. This is not my car. It's this car. That's my car.
Your car?
Of course, that is one of my cars.
Boss, now you get that car.
Of course, that's one of my cars.
How? You don't look it.
Yes, I am not one of those guys that like showing off. But when you come close to me, you will know how big of a boy I am.
Oh, hi. My name is Crystal.
Crystal.
Hi. I'm Rosabelle. I am so pleased to meet you.
Same here. My name is Nathan.
Leave him alone. Move your hand. What is wrong?
Yeah. So
Just ignore her, right?
sure I will. So can I have
So,
it?
okay. Yeah, my number.
So we can
Let
talk.
me give you my number. That's no problem. All right. Here you go. So, how about we go out, hang out, and chill, if that's okay with you?
Sure, definitely. So why don't you girls hop in? Let me drop you off.
Oh, you were so thoughtful. But don't worry, we came with our cars.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
So we're expecting your call.
I'll
then.
see you around.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye, handsome friend.
Hi. Oh, we go jolly. We are making money.
Your mind don't rest.
I told you.
Have I tell you, come on.
Today is Friday. It's Friday.
No wala.
If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. You better bring your ego. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. Better spend your ego.
Hi, Nathan. How are you? I can see that today's exercise was a bit stressful for you. Really? So, where were you based before? Oh, Canada. That's very good. Gym? Of course not. I love shopping for clothes. That's what I do for fun. All of us? Are you sure? Well, I think it's society taking 4 luxury girls like us shopping. I mean, only me is a handful already. Okay, I think I like the sound of that. So tell me, what do you do for fun?
It's Friday. We go jolly. We're making money.
Precious.
We go jolly. Today is Friday. It's Friday. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. You better bring your ego.
Oh my God!
Oh my goodness!
Look at you! Look at you, son!
How are you?
I'm good!
Dad, how are you, son?
Look at you.
I'm doing so well.
I can see that. I can see that.
Bad for real.
Yes, boy.
What have you been feeding this guy with? Come
on,
come
Tell
on.
him.
Come on.
He's been eating all the food in the house.
No,
all the
all the
food in the house. In fact, the kitchen is for him all the time.
Dad, you're
Standing
looking
by
good.
in the kitchen.
You are
Oh,
looking
thank
good.
you so very
And
much.
more.
Son.
You're doing a great job.
Oh, damn.
I know.
I'm the one taking care of both of them. Look at you.
Hope your journey was not very stressful.
It wasn't.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, I brought my plane down to this place without any stress.
Well-
Coming out, I saw this.
Welcome back, son. We are glad
Son,
to
you're
have
welcome.
All right. Why
You're
you
looking.
waiting?
Son, I miss you. I miss you so much. Be careful. Don't touch anything that belongs to me.
Welcome back to Nigeria.
Yes, darling.
By now, you should have the dining.
No, just go up, freshen up, come down. For your favorite.
Okay.
Well prepared.
My favorites.
Yes, darling.
Run along, son. Wow.
Look at your son. He's looking so good. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Hope you enjoyed the meal.
I did. It's been a long time I had this kind of sumptuous meal.
Trust your mom. Okay, so now you're done with your masters. What is next?
Honey, what else are his plans? If not to find a suitable woman to settle down with and give me grandchildren.
Mom, you started.
I even thought you're going to bring a girl home from the States. Or weren't you in any relationship back there?
No. Mom's here. No, Mom. I intend to get married here. At least a well-brought-up girl that knows our traditional values.
Beautiful.
That is my son. I am proud of you.
And I intend to start applying for jobs here, working on one company, Golden Company Limited. That I do hope you're going to help me with 1 or 2 connections, you know.
Of course I will.
Yeah.
You know what? What is going on? Why have my sons decided not to take my footsteps to be in politics? Politics is interesting.
No, that's a dirty game, Dad.
Dirty game? Your dad is a politician, and he is a happy, successful politician.
That's why you appear on major newspaper headlines every now and then.
Oh God, that was harsh.
All right, you know what? I am here to support you. Anything you choose, I am in support of your dreams, your visions, anything you want. I am here to support you, so it's okay.
Thank you, Dad.
Tax, what about you?
What about me? No, I'm not talking about marriage anytime soon. This is my other brother. I'll be his best man on his wedding day. For now, allow me to be a sweet baby boy.
Oh, come on.
Anyways, that's great. Okay, we're here. Definitely, I will support you, like I said.
Thank you, Dad.
Have a great time. This is Nigeria. It's your home.
You're welcome home, son.
What am I eating my next meal?
Your next meal?
Okay, I want to
let's go upstairs and
that would be Okazi.
You know you don't need to apply so much powder on your face.
That's not too much.
You don't want to end up looking like a masquerade.
Like a type in my village that chases and scares little children.
You know what? Whatever. I need to make sure I look nothing short than exceptionally beautiful. I need to look flawless.
I know, right? But baby, sweetie, you see that guy I see. That guy is really willing to ball us. Like he's ready to take us to an exquisite boutique shopping.
Girls.
And he's ready to pay.
He is ready to spend. Do you know, I am beginning to believe what Crystal said. She said that guy smells of money. He smells of it. That guy money choke. Beauty English.
Get away. English English or your father's language? Is it your father's language? Or my mother's tongue? But for a guy to want to ball girls like us and send us to exquisites. I want to speak like it. It's equitos. It means that the guy has money. He's very wealthy.
Oh my goodness. Please, I need to call Crystal.
Hey, baby.
I need to call her.
Oh, you're here? Alright, we're coming now. He's here. You need to call Crystal. Yeah, let's go. Let's go do some shopping.
We gon' jolly, we are making money. We gon' jolly. Today is Friday. It's Friday.
If you want our body, you got spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. You better bring your ego. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money.
We don't pay for this game, oh. Better spend your ego. We will do anything it takes to make this money. We no go send waiting anybody want to talk. Chai, we come for the money, yo. We the hustle the money, yo. We will never stop, cause the night is still we young. Go jolly. We are making money. We go jolly. Today is Friday. It's Friday. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. You better bring your ego. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. Better spend your ego. We are spending dollars. We are making naira look so small. Crushing the pounds. If you no get money, make you hide your face. We don't suffer before. We no go back again. Saba no go ever see me. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. You better bring your ego. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. Better spend your ego. We go jolly. We are making money. We go jolly. Today is Friday. It's Friday. We go jolly. We are making money. We go jolly. Today is Friday. It's Friday. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. You better bring your ego. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. You better spend your ego.
Beauty, shut up. Okay.
So how much is my pay?
Total bill is 7.1 million.
Jesus! Beauty! Chimo, shut up your mouth.
Dad, Mom, the interview is later this weekend. It's holding in Lagos, and I have to travel this weekend as well.
That's actually a coincidence. I'm traveling to Lagos for a parliamentary meeting next week.
Really? Oh, wow.
And I'm supposed to deliver some goods to a client. A client prefer I bring it to her myself.
Hell no. You are not going anywhere. I will not allow that. And besides, why are you even doing this business? Huh? I can give you anything you want in the world. You don't need this business.
And you know I'm not doing it because of money. I was selling gold before I met you. And it's part of me. I can't even see myself functioning well without it.
And who is this client?
Oh, Honorable Joseph Danjuma's wife.
I see. Just tell me that you miss the gossip a lot. You just want to go there and gossip. Huh? That's what you have to say, because I don't see anything you're going there to do. I mean, what else are you going to Lagos to do? Just to gossip.
It's not gossip. It's women conversation. And you know, it's been a while I saw her. I want to use that opportunity also to say her.
Okay, when you get there, send me one to her husband.
Certainly, I'll do that.
Oh, really? I see what y'all all are doing. You connived to run away from this house and leave me all by myself in this big house. Huh? Excuse me.
Oh, God.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. All right, sir. No. It's fine, sir. I can. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Mom, Dad, that was my MD. He said we have a client to meet up with, one of our biggest clients actually. We have a business deal to seal in Lagos. It's a deal worth millions of dollars. And I have to be there.
What is really going on here?
This is too much of a coincidence. Just as if we planned it.
Same weekend.
Same weekend.
Okay. I guess we will have some trip to plan.
Of course.
Okay.
Trip to Lagos.
Yeah. Trip to Lagos.
Madam. Yeah. What is it? Yes. You get one woman where she did not forget since. She talk say she did find her daughter. Now I observe her first. I look her finish. I can't look you. I look everybody here. I know say her daughter not there. I know that one her 4 months. Now she won't use me, she collect money. I know all those one her 4 months now they use. So now I say make I just tell you first.
Can easy well like a few poor man.
Is it
that in
now? Now money she won't collect for you no. What she even speak some? Dikpala.
Waiting carry you come here again.
Madam, she don't come inside. She's on the floor. Tashi.
Good day, Ma.
Good afternoon, my daughter.
Oh.
Tashi,
Mama, how did you come to this place?
Chetashi, so you are living large like in the city. Why I, your mother, is rusting away in the village?
Mama, please, how did you locate this place? If it's money you want, I'll give you money. Go back to the village.
Beauty. Mama, you are welcome. Okay? I know you had a long journey and it must be really tiring. I want you to relax yourself. I will take you to your room. You freshen up. We have food. I'll bring food to your room. You eat and rest. Okay? This is your daughter's house. This is also your house. Your daughter's house is your house. Okay? Do not allow anyone to intimidate you in this house. You are welcome.
I need to go back to the village.
Beauty.
How did you manage to afford a big house like this? With that kind of big parlor downstairs? Because it's only a ritualist that can afford that kind of house in Lagos.
Mama, please, I will give you any amount of money you want. You need to go back to the village today, please.
Beauty.
Mama.
What's going on? Good day, ma. Who is she? Who are you, ma? And how may we help you?
My name is Ginika. Chetashi here is my daughter.
Beauty?
Her name is not Beauty. Her name is Chetashi. That is what I gave her.
Beauty, you didn't tell us you were inviting your mother. We would have given her a more receptive welcome.
I didn't even know she was coming. I did not invite her. Oh, what is it now? Benga, you need to disgrace.
Chetashi, I need your permission now before I can visit you. Before I can visit your Chetashi. Chetashi, I'm asking you again. How did you and your friend have the kind of money to afford a big house like this? Because it's only a ritualist that can build a big house like this or buy one.
No, we are not ritualists, so. We are not. Mama, we are hardworking ladies. We genuinely work for our money. Yes, we work for our money, Mama.
Mama, we are hardworking career ladies.
Exactly.
Do I look stupid to you? Chetashi, Chetashi, the fact that I am living in that village does not make me a fool. I still know what I'm doing. It's only a ritualist that can afford a big place like this, Chetashi. Look at the big house. What have you done, Chetashi?
Why are you being dramatic?
Mama, please. Okay.
Come here, disgrace.
Mama, like I told you earlier, you are highly welcome. Okay?
Mama, go back to the village.
I will take you to your room. Okay? You go there and rest, freshen up, and eat. When you're done eating, then we can revisit this topic. Like I said, this is your daughter's house. You are welcome anytime, any day. Come, please.
Chetashi.
Mama, you're welcome. Mama, this is your house, oh. This is your house. Come. No.
How did your mother locate this place? You don't even bear your evil name. So how did she locate here?
I don't know. I'm even shocked.
You know we have to look for a better light to tell to your mother. Because what we sold to her, she is not buying it. You know that, right?
No, she needs to go back to the village.
She's here already. We just have to make her feel comfortable. She's here already.
Nobody is making her comfortable. She will have to go back to the village. I'll give her money. She will go back to the village.
My daughter, the food is very delicious. I really enjoyed it. Eh? Who made it?
Beauty. Jetachi, your daughter. She made it.
I said it now. Eh? Her taste of food has not changed at all because I really trained her very well in the kitchen. Eh? Very delicious. I enjoyed it.
Thank you, Mama. I'm glad you loved it.
Love it.
There is still more in case you still want to have some more.
You can keep the remaining one for later. Now my belly is very full.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's very full. So, my daughter,
Mama.
what is your name?
Mama, my name is Sophia.
Sophia? Oh, Sophia. The man that is Atifi, you are her daughter.
I said Sophia. It means divine being.
Oh! Sorry, my daughter. Truly, indeed, you are a divine being. That is why you are very beautiful like this.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much, Ma.
Thank you. My daughters, before I forgot, you know we have unfinished business. You said Tash. Don't mind her. You know, earlier on, you said we will revisit the matter. This house, this big house, how did you girls manage to rent a big place like this?
Please, I need to use the restroom. Excuse me.
Big house like this. How did you manage to rent it?
You know, like I earlier said, we are working class ladies, office workers.
You have not answered me yet. Because this house is too big. Big compound, big parlor, big rooms. Everything is big, big, big.
Babes. I'm ready. Girl, I'm ready. We're ready. Let's go. Let's go.
Look at that shit. This party is going to be lit. Trust me, we're gonna have
Party? At this time of the night, where are you guys going? Dressing like an harlot like this, like a prostitute. Oh, Sophia. Even you two. I thought you were different. Where are you guys going dressed like a prostitute like this now? What is this?
Oh, Mama, we are going to the club. Club no dey function during daytime, Nana, for nights.
Past midnight? Child of God. You know what? You guys should hold on. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I have a surprise for you.
What is she talking about? What does she want to go and do? Look, you need to talk to your mother. What is all this?
I come against every
Mama, what is this now?
Every Stop it! In the mighty name of Jesus! Let's go. Prostitute! In the mighty name of Jesus! My enemy will not walk! In the mighty name of Jesus! Every spirit, evil spirit of prostitute that will make these children not to know the ways of God.
I had so much Jesus. Hey,
Did you see how that guy was looking at you?
So sexy.
Just of this day has finally returned back to your tent. Look at you girls. You girls read of alcohol. Is this what you guys do in the city?
Mama, come on. We just went to club to have some fun. And then we just had a little bit of alcohol, just a drop.
No, this is not
right?
This is not fun.
That's it. It's not that serious.
This is not fun. If you girls want to have fun, you can go to church. Pray with your rosary. Read your Bible. Or better still, go to Blessed Sacrament and do your prayer. Because the path you girls are all trading will lead to nowhere but doom.
Mama, please. Stop all this. Stop it.
Don't tell me to stop it. I brought you up in the ways of the Lord. How did you miss it? Where did I go wrong? What is all this? Look at the way you are dressing. Look at the kind of lifestyle you are living. Spending the whole night outside.
Mama. I want to go and defecate.
Mama, I'm tired, okay? I need to head to the room.
Sophia.
Mama.
Even you.
What is going on?
Mama, now it's not that serious, okay? It's just club.
Sophia, look at the way you are revealing your breast.
Mama!
Hey, body is a temple of Christ.
Sorry.
I can smell the spirit of Jezebel roving over this house, over this building. And I bind that spirit in the mighty name of Jesus. Every spirit of Jezebel in the life of those children, in the life of my daughter, I bind it.
Seriously, I don't know how long I am going to take this. I mean, this is getting out of hand. We came back from the club tired. And Beauty's mother's loud prayers didn't let me sleep a wink.
Yeah, I slept like a baby. Her prayers sounded like a soothing bedtime stories to my ears. I enjoyed it.
Really? Sophia, this is not funny. It's not. Look, I am not against any of our families coming to visit us. But Beauty's mother is something else. And she's not going to get used to our lifestyle anytime soon. She's going to frustrate us. She will keep frustrating us.
So, what do you want me to do now?
Send her back to the village.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Oh, come on. The woman is already adjusting to the city lifestyle. Why do you want to send her back? Beauty, honestly, you really did a bad thing leaving her in the village for a very long time. She didn't even know where you live, not until which day. Doesn't make sense.
But I used to send her money all the time.
I don't understand. You are the only child of your mother. Your father is no more. It is only natural for her to miss you from time to time. Please, don't send her away. I am
Sophia.
really enjoying her company. What?
Beauty, please send your mother back to the village. Because I've had enough. I don't know how long I can continue like this.
Mama, I'm sorry if I've made you feel less at any point. I'm so sorry, and I want you to know that I value you more than anything in this world. I cannot trade you for anything in this world, Mama. Papa died when I was 3 years old, and you single-handedly raised me. You brought me up, Mama, and I will forever remain grateful for that. Mama, I love you so much.
But, Shitashi, why do you choose to follow the ways of men? I taught you the ways of God. Why do you allow men to sway you into their bidding?
The ways of man, unfortunately, is what puts food on my table. The ways of man is what lifted me from the abyss of poverty. The ways of man is the reason I'm able to take care of you, Mama, and send you money every weekend.
No. Sometimes money is not just enough. But your soul matters to God, you don't know?
But lack of money was the reason my uncles chased you out of Papa's house. Immediately Papa was buried. Mama, lack of money was the reason I did all kinds of odd jobs. Lack of money is the reason I'm doing what I'm doing today. please. I want you to leave first thing in the morning. I'm going to send you 500k. 500,000 naira. Please, take care of yourself.
No,
I don't like the way you look.
I don't want. How do you expect me to keep spending the money I don't know the source? I can't keep spending the money I don't know the source. Please. I don't need your money.
Oh, what is it? What is it? What happened, Okene? Eh? Talk to me.
What is it?
Mama, if I can have my way, I would have loved for you to stay here as long as you want. But it seems that the village is where your peace lies. So Mom, I want you to know that everything that I am doing is not just for me, but for your mama, the woman that gave birth to me. I just want you to be fine. If you're okay, I am okay. Don't worry about me, Mama. I can take care of myself. I just want you to be fine. Just take care of yourself. Even though they call me Beauty, I am still your Chetachi. I love you.
It's okay. It's okay. You're still my Chetashi. My baby girl. I'm going to miss you. But God is always with you. And your friends too. Sophia.
It's not Sophia. It's Sophia.
Mama. Oh. Mama, we are going to miss you.
And I will miss you too. And all of you. I'm going to miss all of you. All your beautiful faces.
Hey. Hey, Mama. We have to go drop you, okay? Because we don't want all these Lagos boys that their eyes are just going left and right, to and fro to come and, start looking at you.
Hey, Lagos boy, I will descend all the Holy Ghost fire in the whole heaven on top of them. You don't know, you be fire, burning, we burning them.
Mama will miss you.
Seriously, I will miss you girls.
And
please, be of your best behavior. God is always with you.
Amen.
Love you guys.
Some people were acting as if they don't want to see Mama.
Now they are right.
Okay, bro, thank you. Hey, Rosabel, let's go to your car now.
Wait, are you the guy I met at the bar?
Yes, I am Tony, the guy you made out with. We are at the bar with your other friends. Yes, Tony.
Hey!
That's it.
Something I regretted doing. What do you want?
Rosabel, honestly, ever since we made out, honestly, I had to go extra miles to collect your contacts. I'm glad you're here with me now. You know, we had passionate love, and I know you love me too.
Hey, Rosabel, wait till you no go see. Tony, or whatever you call yourself. Did you see that car parked behind me?
Yes.
You can see it, right?
Yes.
So where is your car? Where is it? Show me.
I do not have a car, but...
But what? But what? You want to ruffle shoulders with a high-class lady like me? Whose car is enough to buy you and your entire generation?
Rosabel, why the insult now? Why insulting me?
No, why won't I insult you? You think I don't know your type? You think I don't know that you don't have a dime? You don't. Even the hangouts we had the last time, it was your friends who sponsored it. And your friends were even busy making jest of you. But you were so clouded with the thought of devouring a fine girl like me. See, I even allowed you have me because I thought maybe your friends were just bluffing. Because they were drunk. But seeing you come down from that cab, I think I know better. I know better. So you even want to follow me to my car to receive AC? No, come now. Come and receive AC.
Rosabel, no now.
Nonsense.
Rosabel, wait. Rosabel. Rosabel.
Charles, it's not a laughing matter. Omo, my eyes see something today. If you see the guy I went out on a date with, you know, say this guy no get car. This guy no get car. He came with an ordinary cab. You needed to see the way he was coming out of this car. Like it was one big G-Wagon. Honestly. It would have even been better if he had told me, oh, my car is faulty, I'm fixing it at the mechanic, you know. At least that one will calm me down. But this guy had the guts to tell me, babe, let's go to your car. He won't go my car, go receive AC. Trust me now, I gave him the embarrassment of his life. You know well.
All these small boys, when they shop waiting oga dey chop, they know the fear.
Now what? Fine bobo wey no get money.
Na money be fine bobo.
Na money be fine bobo.
You know.
They call me now.
Is it the one calling?
What do you expect?
Yes, it's not funny. No, it's not funny. It's not funny at all. The last time we went for a hangout, no single rich guy came after us. And this one now is a broke boy. You think it's normal?
Well, you guys, I don't know where you see those your small boys. As for me, I am with the allergies. I don't know about you guys. Stay away from broke boys. But you will not listen. A fine Abby, 6-pack, flat belly.
Rosabel, like, she likes catching them young, you know.
Rosabel.
Young and vibrant.
Okay, I won't tell you. I beg you go.
And period.
Women doesn't be stressed. I tell you this all
Oh,
day.
sorry for the stress.
My eyes.
Next time, stay away from small boys.
You won't for the gate? Why you not like that? Who be that? Who be your hello? I said, who be that? You want to say again? She said, where you come? She give her ID card. So, where first? No. Wait, I say name na Tony. See, oh, he say name na Tony. He say him your boyfriend. Say you tell him come.
Open the gate. Open it.
Relax. See that you open the door. You want for? Sorry. What's happening? Babe, what's up? How are you?
I'm fine.
How you doing?
Yeah.
You know what? Just wait for me, okay? I'm coming.
You're very stupid. If I see you an inch close to this house again, I will make sure I pour your accent. What do you want? Why do this to me now? What are you following me about? I already said I don't do cheap boys like you. Why can't you let me be? Arinze,
Yes, mommy.
if I see this guy in this house again, I will make sure you join your mates in the village. Throw him out.
Outside that one. If you talk to me again, you remember that's happening. You know you want to that talk. Come on, tell me. Come on, the boss, I show you. I don't come. You at this point, you don't get that sense for this. I don't come.
And what's keeping them?
Mom! We don't want to miss our flight!
Mom, please come. We're set to leave.
Honorable Badmus. You are already in Lagos. Yes. You see, I will not miss this parliamentary meeting for anything. That's right. All right, I'll be in Lagos today. Yes, definitely, I'll be in Lagos today. Okay, bye-bye.
So I'm ready.
Mom.
Yes.
You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you, son.
Mom.
Yes, dear.
Don't you think you're a little bit... I mean,
Hmm.
you're traveling, not a party.
And son, you've forgotten that I'm the wife of the Almighty Honorable Williams Douglas. So I need to look that part.
You know what? I think I should just take him back to the room. Let's just go.
So you don't look because I'm looking good for you?
Yes, you were looking good for me.
These two. Daddy should be tired by now. Let's go, please. We're late.
We go jolly, we are making money. We go jolly. Today is Friday. It's Friday. If you want our body, you got to spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. You better bring your ego. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. Better spend your ego. We will do anything it takes to make this money. We no go send waiting anybody want to talk. Chai, we come for the money, yo. We the hustle the money, yo. We'll never stop, cause the night is still we young. Go jolly. We are making money. We go jolly. Today is Friday. It's Friday. If you want our body, you got to spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh.
That was a crazy baby. Oh, you darling.
You gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. Better spend your ego. We are spending dollars. We are making naira look so small. Crushing the pounds. If you no get money, make you hide your face. We don't suffer before. We don't go back again. Saba no go ever see me. If you want our body, you got to spend your money.
Oh, baby, thank you so much.
If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. Better spend your ego. We go jolly. making money. Oh.
Baby, hope you're ready for me.
I am so ready for you, Zaddy.
All right, I'm coming for you.
Sweethearts. Welcome to Lagos.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Your place is really nice.
Well, it's really not my place. It's just a flat where me and my friends, we stay when we don't want to be in the house, you know. Just somewhere to clear our heads.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Can I sit?
Yes, of course, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
It's obvious you didn't have a hard time locating this place. I was so worried. I thought you were going to miss your way.
Miss my way? No, I am quite familiar with Lagos, especially here on the island. So I didn't have a hard time locating your place.
Wow.
Besides, I didn't want to stress you.
Someone is trying to be romantic.
Of course I am romantic.
Wow. You look more handsome in person.
Oh, really?
You're too fine.
Thanks for the compliment. You are beautiful as well.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
So, what do you care for?
Wow, what do I care for? I'll do water for now. Water is fine.
Yeah, water.
Yes, water.
Okay.
Water.
Yes!
Water, can you just...
Okay. Sorry.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. It's quite cold. Yeah, so...
Yeah.
Can we? Okay, you lead the way. Lead the way. Here you go. Thank you. Oh, don't worry, I'll grab the bag.
Okay.
Thank you.
You are so sweet. You want to kill me?
Sorry, can I kill you? You know you have the strength of 10 men put together. And you know I like it really rough.
I am
And you
glad.
ride me like a horse.
I am glad I satisfied you.
Oh.
I am satisfied.
You're welcome. You know, I love you.
I love you too.
Mwah.
Oh, my darling.
I'm so sorry. I had to put the room in order to make sure it's convenient for you, my baby.
That's okay.
So, my love, tell me, what do you want to eat so I can go prepare it? Anything.
I am fine, right? But I think I want to eat something inside the bedroom and rest.
In the bedroom?
Yes.
You're so nutty. So tell me, what do you want to eat in the bedroom? Tell me.
Okay. I want to eat this food sitting on me. This
Really?
one. Yeah, this one.
It's all yes.
I know, baby.
It's all yes. Everything. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Wow, baby girl. I've never had such sweet love in a long while now. Oh, you are the true definition of sweet in the middle.
Ooh. Well, I am happy that I was able to make you calm.
Easy.
I can't wait,
Easy.
baby.
Let's go finish it up in the bedroom.
Yeah. Right, I can't wait.
Let's go.
Okay, baby. My goodness, look at this.
It's all
I know. A surprise? Apart from this?
You're gonna love it, baby.
Are you serious?
I need to shower though.
Okay.
The door.
Oh, this is beautiful, baby. Thank you. Thank you, Mama. I need to try this on. Let's see. Oh, this is anything for you, baby girl.
Hi, le, 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 le. Oh, we got to live. We are making money. Wow. Oh, we got to live. Today is Friday. It's Friday. If you want our body, you got spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. You better bring your ego. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, oh. Better spend your ego. We will do anything.
How did it go? Omo, I noticed this guy did knock. Jesus. One came in. Hey, this man came. 10 people power put together. Hey. I don't know, say they be like this, oh. Hey. And I like it. I like it. You know I like it rough. He likes it rough too, so we match. Forget that.
You are an old man. Small time. See wrinkles, oh.
I will be fresh.
Wrinkles, don't they?
Wrinkles where? Wrinkles not there anywhere. Forget that thing. Money. Money. When I'll be flying to Dubai and flying to Maldives, you will be in this Mbeki. You'll be in this town.
You go old, you go be like this. You go old.
I'll be I'll be catching.
No, I just came to collect water.
Oh, okay.
What of your man?
Oh, he's taking his back. How you doing?
Well, you know me. I like them cute. And that guy is too fine. You know me now. I like them cute. So when you're fine and hot, you cannot find any fault. I can't find any fault. You're just faultless.
Does he have money?
It doesn't matter.
Anyways, as for me, like them old. The older, the better.
The older, the more wrinkles.
The more. No, I'll be catching flight. Mbeke, you'll be in this town with fine boy.
All of us are Mbeke.
And you'll be running tears.
It's small time like this, you go to fly.
No worry now.
But you did knock.
I love it raw. I love it raw. You make the body fresh.
Rest from Zakantus.
You can see the money is showing on my body.
My man is in the bedroom.
Oh.
I just came to grab water. What of your own man?
He's taking his bath. He won't finish me today. Let me I need to go back.
Hi! Sweetheart!
Oh!
Sweetheart, this is my friend Crystal I told you about. Crystal, this is Charles.
Oh,
sweetheart.
Crystal.
Hello, Charles.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Hope you're good.
I'm good.
Alright. Babe, I'm looking for my phone. I don't know where I kept it.
Oh, your phone?
Yes.
Oh, your phone?
Yes.
It should be beside there.
Anyways, I hope my friend is taking good care of you.
She's trying.
Good.
Alright, see you later.
See you later. Hey, Zaddy.
I can hear voices.
Oh, it's not a problem. It's just my flatmate.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but...
Yes, Daddy.
I came to Lagos here because I just want to free myself from all the stress I've been having all this month. I'm glad I came. You know, I feel very light.
I'm glad you're happy, Zaddy.
Okay. Pick your call.
Zaddy's nothing. It's just one of the girls that wants to gossip. It's okay, it's okay.
Talking about...
I don't like to be distracted.
Yeah, but you know what? Talking about these, your friends. I mean, why didn't you invite them over? Let's let them come. Let's have a good time together.
Zaddy, that's not an issue. I mean, you know my friends are really expensive. And they charge 7 million naira each. I mean.
You know what? That is chicken change.
Really?
I am going to pay them 10 million naira each for their time. I mean, if they come.
10 million?
That's right.
Okay. Then just leave it to me to put a call through.
Okay, do your thing. Go ahead. Call them.
Hi. Oh. We got
Hey girls. Of course, I'm always excited when my Zaddy is around.
Krista, look at the way you're hyping an aged man. Girl, if you meet my Richard, when he handles you on bed, Girlfriend, you go run, leave your pants, come off from room. I did tell you.
So, I got something for you girls. 10 million naira each to spend a night with Chief.
Did you say 10 million naira? For each of us, not cumulatively. 10 million. Ah, please, I'm in. Oh. I am in. They know they waste time for this kind of deal though. I am in. Girlfriend, 10 million naira. Rosabelle is in. Trust me, I am in on this one.
I'm waiting for you guys.
See, I can't miss this opportunity for anything in this world. So, leave that for me. Okay? I can handle it. Don't worry, I'm in. You need to trust me. Don't worry. Just trust me. I'm going to be there, flesh and blood. Okay? Alright. Jesus. Baby. Baby.
Yes?
What are you doing?
I'm having my shower.
Since?
No, I had some mails to respond to. So I just started now.
Take your time. Oh, baby. Yes. You sexy thing. See, I'm trying, sweetie. Look. Chilled drink for you to calm your nerves down.
That's so thoughtful of you.
I know.
I like it.
I know.
It's so calming.
Yes. Did you use the Duocean? Did you use the Duocean soap?
The what?
Ocean soap. You okay?
I don't understand. Hold on.
Drink. You okay? Okay, sit. Yeah, sit. Sit, let me massage you. Yeah, lie down. Lie down. Come, I'm here, baby. I'm here. Relax. Relax, baby. I'm here. Baby? You sexy thing. Where did you come from, baby? How did you know I needed you, baby? How did you know I needed you badly, baby? Baby? How did you know my heart is yearning so softly? Yeah, baby? Yesterday I was waiting for you, boo-boo. Yes.
Sleep well, my success. Why I go and do mere dumbo hey.
Are you having a small time?
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, they say girls rule the world.
Yeah.
This is what it is. So where is that girl? Where is that
Oh,
girl?
Crystal. I'm so tired.
Crystal will say chief admin. Are you going to kill me? Was that what she told you? No, my heart, she killed me. You know she keeps telling you, if he's a horse, Crystal is more of a horse.
Crystal! Crystal! I'm coming! Hurry!
Where's her friend? Than her boyfriend.
Oh.
You know, it wouldn't be a bad idea if you call them to join us. Eat together and also get to know each other.
Talking about my friend, she's not with her boyfriend, but rather girlfriend. She don't do men.
That's alright. Good, I'm not here to judge anyone, alright? Her life, her choice. But she should be here.
I think her girlfriend is a shy type. She prefers to eat in the bedroom. So, and talking about hanging out or getting to know ourselves better, I and my friends are planning to do a small hangout, with our dates, where we get to know ourselves on a personal base.
Aha.
What do you think?
That's nice. Very nice. This meal is tasty. But not as tasty as you.
You know you have sugar-coated lips.
Do I?
I love the way you compliment me. I love that about you. Aside from your good looks and how good you are in bed.
Well, I really like everything about you. I must tell you. Everything about you. It gladdens my heart.
Thank you, baby.
I love you so much.
And I love you too. Have some?
Okay. Okay, you have this.
Baby,
Yes, dear.
my friends and I are planning on something. I don't know if you would be interested.
What is that?
So we're planning on having a get together.
I don't understand. How does that concern me?
So it's like a couple get together where they get to see us and we also get to meet with their partners.
No. I'm not interested. Sophia, I'm a private kind of person. And I'm also a public figure. I don't want to be caught up with unwanted web.
Baby, I understand that you are the wife of the Almighty Honorable Williams Douglas. And you have an image to protect.
Yeah.
But you see, my friends they already know that we are intimate. They don't have any ulterior motive. So you see, if they had wanted to blow your cover, they would have blown it a long time ago. They are not judgmental. If you're scared of people or them judging your sexuality, just strike it out. They are not like that.
Baby. Okay. Just once.
Just once.
I'll meet with them.
Yes!
It's gladdened by her that you're happy.
I am happy.
It's okay. I'll meet with them.
Okay.
Zari, my friends and I are having a get together, and you're bringing your various partners, so I thought I'd be inviting you.
To get together? What's the occasion?
It's nothing. It's just to get to know one another.
Is it your friends that came the other day to give me a good time that I really love?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I can't wait to see them again. You mean they are in a relationship and they came to satisfy me?
Oh, come on, Zari. You know every girl has a bill to pay.
That's smart. I can't wait. So when did you do?
Over the weekend?
Oh, I really can't wait. You know I'm gay.
I know. I know you're gonna have a lot of fun.
Baby, come over here.
Oh, Zari, boy, you just finished me now, no?
You have to come satisfy me.
Oh, come on, Zari. I mean, what kind of strength? Where do you get the strength from? Where do you get the strength from? Where do you get the strength?
So, babe, when am I meeting your friends?
Oh, my friends.
Yes.
That reminds me, my friends and I, we're organizing a get-together party.
Oh, I see.
My friends and our boyfriends, you know. And lest I forget, one of my friends, she doesn't do guys, so she'll be coming with her girlfriend. Okay.
What do you mean by she doesn't do guys?
No. Baby, don't do that. No, don't do that. Our friendship is a no judgmental circle. Okay? Everyone is entitled to their preferences.
I totally understand. So, who is this, her girlfriend?
She said the wife to a popular politician, I think an honorable member. I can't even remember her name.
Wait. You mean to tell me that in this our country, the wife of a popular politician is into girls?
That's it. You're not going anywhere with me.
Why?
What do you mean why? What do you mean why? Because I wouldn't want you to go there and embarrass me in front of everyone with your nonsense homophobic mentality.
Come on, babe. Come on, you know I'm not homophobic. Listen, I don't really care what anybody does with your life. I've come across lots of girls who are not into boys, who are into girls, but the wife of a politician, I have not seen that. It's quite laughable. Come on. Okay, I'm sorry.
You have to behave yourself if you want to go with me. Seriously.
Noted, ma. Don't tell me you're angry. Come on. I'm not joking either. Come here. Easy now. Come, babe. Come. You too do shakara. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Trust me. I'm sorry.
No problem. Just
what?
Now people like you, they judge other sinners too much.
Come on, I'm sorry.
For sinning differently. Now people like you, now you sin pass.
As long as it makes them happy.
Yeah.
Yes.
So why?
Come here.
Baby, you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You know I'm just doing this for you, so that you'll be happy.
I know, and I appreciate.
It's okay. Let's go.
So, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Okay.
So, hold on. Yeah.
The cash woman.
Yeah.
The cash woman.
Easy.
Take it easy.
Babes, how far now? Are you not ready yet? Please hurry up, oh. We'll be waiting downstairs. Let's just wait for my friend, okay? They'll be out soon.
Get me to take this call, okay?
Alright. It's fine. Hi, Mom. Babes. What's up with your woman? She know the answer greeting. And why is she dressed in the hijab and the glasses? What's going on?
Come on. You know, she's a big fish. She's just being cautious, okay? But trust me, when you get to know her, you're gonna love her.
Are you
when
sure?
she unwinds,
Are
you're
you
gonna
sure?
love her. Not being fish now. It's not baby girl where they bust me cash, you know.
Collect.
Where they bust.
You look
Get
lovely.
to know her. You're gonna enjoy her company.
I trust. All right, baby.
We go jolly, we are making money. We go jolly, today is Friday, it's Friday. If you want our body, you got to spend your money. We don't
It's
take
alright.
all this game, you better bring
can
your
we go
ego.
Yes.
If you want
All
our
right.
body, you gotta
You too,
spend
my
your
baby.
money.
You look good. Let's go, my love.
Right.
Better spend your ego.
Let's go.
We will do anything it takes to make this money. We not gonna send waiting anybody want to talk. Try, we come for the money, yo. We the hustle the money, yo. We'll never stop, cause the night is still we young. Go jolly, we are making money. We go jolly. Today is Friday, it's Friday. If you want our body, you got to spend your money. We don't pay for this game, you better bring your ego. If you want our body, you gotta spend your money. We don't pay for this game, better spend your ego. We are spending dollars, we are making naira look so small. Crushing the pounds, if you no get money, make you hide your face. We don't suffer before.
Wow. My baby is looking so getting ravishingly beautiful.
Thank you, Daddy.
as you can see, your money.
Alright, let's go. Let's go, come on.
Beauty! Beauty!
Crystal, are you expecting us to go together?
Oh my God, since we're going the same way, do you mind?
Of course I do mind. Wait a minute. Do you know the caliber of man standing right here before you?
Oh.
This is the Honorable Williams Douglas, and you expect me to squeeze myself in one car with your friend and her boyfriend? Come on. They can come with one of the other cars or even a car. Let's go.
Oh, I don't
Come.
think so. Okay.
Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Charles, you look so handsome.
Oh, really?
Yes, you're giving 10 over 10 for me.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Have you met yourself?
Mm-hmm.
You look extremely beautiful. Listen, your parents did not make any mistake by giving you the name Beauty because you represent every bit of it.
Say it louder so that the people at the back will hear it very well. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And don't forget the rules.
Oh, I see.
No judging of any sort.
No problem. Can we please?
Yes. Hey. Oh no.
What?
My friend, she's no longer here. I'm sure she has been waiting for me for so long.
So what are we going to do?
Let's use my car.
Oh,
yeah.
Hello, Crystal, where are you? Sophia is here already. What of Beauty? Alright, just hurry up, okay? Yeah, see you soon. Okay, let's go.
Richard!
Crystal! What are you doing? Can you just end that call and come? I'm standing here, I'm waiting for you. I mean, what's the meaning of this? All right, meet me inside. I cannot wait again.
Richard, what are you doing here?
I should be the one asking you that question. What are you doing here?
You both know each other?
This is my son.
She is my mother.
What?
Someone should wake me up here. What's going on?
Your pace is too fast. Yeah.
What?
I don't know. You're just too handsome. Just look at you.
Have you met yourself? You are extremely beautiful. I'll tell you what, your parents did not make a mistake when they gave you the name Beauty. You present every bit of it.
Louder, 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 louder.
You present every bit of it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my dear.
So, don't forget, no judgment of any sort.
Alright. Mom, so you have been a lesson all along.
You would watch the words you dish out to me. I am still your mother. So this is the interview you said you were coming to Lagos?
And this is the place you came to supply your goods in the hands of another woman. Mom! I am so disappointed in you. How can you do this? How can? Sophia. God. What's going on? Wow.
Emenike.
Dad! What's going on here now?
Susan, what are you doing here?
No! You, what are you doing here? Is this the parliament meeting you say you are coming to Lagos to attend?
Does this look like Honorable Joseph Danjuma's wife's house that you said you were going to supply gold? You lesbian! So you're Lexi. I should have known better. I saw the signs, but I thought I should just ignore it.
No. Look at who is talking. A child abuser like you. That little girl you came to Lagos to see. She is old enough to be your daughter. But that's who you are. Shamelessly littering your seed everywhere you go. Shameless man.
Richard, I thought I raised you better. So you don't
even go there.
You still carry these Olosho girls?
Of course. A snake must give birth to something long. Are you surprised?
Ikenna!
Hey.
What are you doing here? Oh my God.
Dad.
Ikenna.
No, what are you doing here?
Is this it? Wait.
My dad is the partner we're supposed to have a party with.
Oh. Oh.
Mom!
Oh God, sorry.
You are two women?
Wash your words on me. Nothing erased the fact that I'm still your mother. Okay?
Are you? Oh, this is so disgusting. God!
Excuse me. Excuse me. My entire years I spent with your father, of course, is the worst years. Because I feel nothing for him.
Bloody what?
I feel nothing for him. I'm in love with my fellow women. That is who I am.
Oh, Susan. You were a lesbian.
Of course, yes.
And my children are going about carrying these prostitutes. Oh! Look at them. Susan!
Hey!
I will just kill
Where are you going?
I will kill you in this
You can't do anything!
I will!
You can't! You can try!
How dare you!
How dare you! How dare you!
Look at you!
How dare you! You can...
Do you know my caliber of person? I will kill you in
You
Lagos!
can't do it! You can't do it! You know my contacts! I will teach you a lesson. Try it. What is that? Try me.
You?
Hi, Richard.
I do not know how you tracked me to Abuja. I don't even know what I'm doing here, but I have just one question for you. Answer me. What are you doing here? What do you want?
Richard. Richard, please forgive me. Okay, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know for all the wrongs I did to you and your family. Please. It wasn't my intention. It was never my intention. Please, Richard, I'm sorry.
Forgiveness, you say. Forgiveness, you say. Do you know what you and your stupid friend's decision cost me? They cost me my family. I lost them. My parents got separated. The stupid video we made washing our linens outside made it worse to the blacks. I became radical to the public. My father's appointment was terminated by the government.
Oh my God.
The career he built with his life. See, let me tell you something. A glass that is broken, there is no amount of sorry that will get it to its original state.
Richard, please. Please. I didn't know that your parents weren't together anymore. I am sorry. We didn't know that we were having a thing to do with the whole family.
Of course it happened.
Please, look. We are just girls who have seen more of the bitter part of life than the sweeter part. What we went through made us who we are. Please, Richard. And that was how I missed my promotion. A promotion I have labored for so many years to earn. That wasn't all. The MD pinned an allegation on me and sacked me for something I know nothing about because I refused to sleep with him. That was when I swore that I was going to make so much money from men. So much money, enough to lavish carelessly. Sophia, on the other hand, she wasn't born a lesbian. Her boyfriend set her up with 7 of his friends. They locked her in a room and raped her countlessly for over a month. Then she vowed never to have anything to do with any man. Crystal was so in love with a man that she never knew was married with kids. And his family, they all stay abroad. She was so devastated, she almost committed suicide. She vowed to break marriages and date only elderly and married men. In a nutshell, Richard, life happened to us. We never chose this life for ourselves. Life just happened. Richard, I came here to clear my conscience, and I am really glad that I did. I am sorry once again. I'm really sorry. Look, Richard. It was supposed to be a fling, but I found myself loving you. I don't know how to explain it, but I tried to fight it. But every inch of me can't bear losing you. I know I did you wrong. I know I don't deserve you. But please, forgive me for everything. Have me on my way now.
What of beauty?
Beauty.
Come on. It's alright. It's alright. If mentioning her name will bring a lot of sadness to you, rather than talking about it, okay? Say the truth is that I've missed you so much. I've missed you so much, and these past months have been hell for me. Your image keeps popping in my head every now and then. I miss you so much. So much. I just want to tell you that I love you, Isabel. I love you so much.
I love you too. I love you more, Richard. I really love you. And I'm sorry. I am so sorry, please.
It's okay.
What you do with your life determines how we end. As you wake up, can't you look at yourself in the mirror and ask if I am proud of who I am?
So this is how we lost beauty. To the hands of organ harvesters.
Oh, God.
This is really painful, isn't it?
Oh, God.
Come to think of it. Rosabella who introduced us to this business, to this lifestyle. She's happily married. God. Babe, life is giving us a second chance
and we cannot misuse it. Well, I don't intend to live this life anymore because I do not want to have anything to do with organ harvesting. Those people, when they move somebody, you cannot find anybody to even... Your dead body will not even be found. Is that bad? With all the money I've gathered from this useless business, I have to look for a way to just change this lifestyle and look for a genuine business and invest that money and look for one. We just have to calm down and just look for a husband to marry because this life is hard. I won't lie to you, babe. It's hard. I think that's the best. Honestly. I can't even get over this trauma. I don't think I can get over it in a hurry. I wonder how her mother will be taking this news. I just wonder. I mean, if she had stayed back in the village, maybe this wouldn't have happened. And to think that she is the only child of a widow mother, I wonder how the woman is coping.
What you do with your life determines how we end. As you wake up, can't you look at yourself in the mirror and ask if I am proud of who I am? Too many shades of life will keep on coming. You will determine how you want it to go. Change your ways. Change your ways right now before it's too late. Change your ways right now before it's too late. Because of money, indulge in so many things. From one man to another, one place to another. Oh, don't you know that everything can change in a twinkle of an eye? One mistake can take you away forever. Oh,